Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be installing Cerakote. Cerakote is a product, and I'm purposely putting the camera on these parts that will be coated with Cerakote. Now Cerakote, but it will definitely, the product basically is something you install on these rubber parts so that the sun doesn't mess them up. All right, so we're going to be using Cerakote here, and this is the box. Sorry and excuse the box is kind of messed up, but yeah, this is the box. It includes gloves to handle the material, and you get, like, let's see how many packets you get. So you get these packets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 10 packets, and basically all you do is just open a packet, and then so you don't get chemicals on your hand and all that good stuff. You do notice the truck is wet, and that's because, for time's sake, here where I'm at, it's about to get dark. So I was kind of busy during the day, doing house duties. All right, so I'm going to leave you all with a cinematic view with the installation of the Cerakote. Here we go.